Alright, another day in paradise. So, just getting going to working on it. It's 4 o'clock. Been on the phone for an hour and a half helping people. Typical, instead of working on my race bike. Alright, so I'm going to change out the rear tire. Got my tire here. Gonna take this tire off. It's aged out. Okay, the titties finally wore off of it. Well, almost. Still there. But anyway, I gotta get this one off because it's too old. It's got like 5 miles on it, but doesn't matter. They go by age, not by use. Stupid rules, but whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna yank this thing out of here and do a tire swap. Assuming it'll even come apart. Find out. That does not want to come out of there. Thinking maybe I'll put a smaller solder key in there next time. That was a little bit too tight. Alright, let's see, gotta pull that axle off. Crescent, there it is. Appropriate tools. Right torque on it. Tight. I want a big spacer, washer, and a big flange nut. Grade 8 nut. Nothing stays tight and firm. Nothing comes loose on my bike. Get out the way. Pulls out like it's supposed to. Nice big ass large diameter spacer, so when you pull it down it's tight. If you notice the washers match the spacers, so does the swing arm. Swing arm has a big ass spacer in it too. When it pulls in tight, it's tight. There you go, one wheel. Nice and clean. Alright. Official tire changing device around here. So we got to pull the weights off. Balancing weights. Those are balancing weights. Thing's pretty far out of balance for some reason. Dunlop tire is not very good, I guess. Very careful not to scratch my polished aluminum rim. Or my polished stainless steel spokes too. Yeah, that's what El Mirage is like. See all the dirt? That's El Mirage for you. That's what you look like after a day of playing up there. Alright. I'm gonna need some tire changing tools. I'll go get them. I'll be back. Alright, there's my tool. Time to get to work. First, gotta let the air out of the tire. Okay. Protection here. And interruptions already. Hello. Hello. Yes. Alright, Fred's coming. Alright, pop to speed. Fuck. Going there for a while. Turn this motor off on it. Goes. Alright, feed's popped. Nothing to it. Okay. I need more room. Give her some tools. And Fred's here. We'll be back.